Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make $15 to $20 PayPal cash just by testing buttons. And guys, this is worldwide, so you can do it from anywhere, and I'm going to give you all the details right on this video, so stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches you exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So hit the subscribe button guys, and don't forget to push the notification bell, because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's really awesome. So check the first link in the description of this video and let's get into this video. So guys, the website today we are going to check out is called 99test.com. So this is a crowdsourced testing platform which helps different organizations to test their software by different users across the world. So this website offers a variety of testing opportunities that you can make money by testing softwares and websites from around the world and anywhere in the world. So you are going to looking for bugs as you use app, and you will be keep a log of all the bugs and error that you find. Now 99.com test claims that you can work part-time or full-time based on your testing skill level. So how does it work guys? Well, have some directly from their company guys walk you through the test process. So I'm going to show you a video that their member will show you exactly how the test works, so how the whole process works. So let us show you the video.
So once you start execution, it will ask you to choose a device. So generally this particular test is for Android, so I am choosing a Android device. They will give you the OS, what OS to select. So I will be working on Marshmallow, that's what I am selecting here. Yeah, so as you can see, I got access for these 12 tests. So now I'll start executing this.
So how do you guys sign up? Well, what you are going to do is go to the 99test.com, and a couple of things you can do it here first. So you can just came here, right over here, click on the sign up button, or you can go directly to the resource menu. Here you can see they have a testers. So when you click on the tester zone, you will be redirected to this page, so you can read a little bit more about the opportunity, but you can also see some other testers from around the world and kind of look at there, and it read about a little bit more guys about their experience with this company. Well, other also you can go, they have also an active community, or you can guys find that. So just come here in the resources section and click on the community button, so you will be redirected to their community place, or you can guys find out that. So here's the community section, so you can find out guys here what people thinks about using this platform, how their tests are going on to be a little bit more reliability, and how the payments are going and stuff like that. All of those detail will be inside of their communities and you can find here. Now guys, when the sign up, when you wanted to sign up, just come over here. When it says sign up, you can click here and you will be redirected to this page. So guys, you can just go over here and scroll down a little bit on this page, and you could go and get started. But guys, just make sure that you are going to click on the right here where it says I am a tester, not I am a client. So guys, how you are going to be test? Of course you have to fill your name and email and create a password, and when you are completed, just create my account. Then you will get started with this process, guys. So the main question is, guys, how much you guys get paid doing this? Well, I couldn't find any disclosure regard on exactly how much you can make. This is because, guys, the payments are based on a complexity of different tasks that you are going to do. However, based on other website for testing app, they could pay anywhere from $10 up to $40 by testing some single apps. And how will you get paid? Guys, your payments are going to be paid via PayPal once your task is complete and approved by 99test.com. So guys, if you want to become your own boss, and if you want to work from home with your own schedule, and if you want to work anywhere in the world, so you can definitely check it out, 99test.com, and sign up and get started today. And guys, if you want easy way to make money online, then this is what I am doing. Guys, check out my #1 link in the description of this video, my #1 recommended system that teaches exactly how to go from zero to your first sale online. Guys, the people who've gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description of this video, and I will share with you more information about that. So guys, this is it for it today. If you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm uploading videos on daily basis. And if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Have a nice day.